Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the 2026 fireworks effects in CapCut PC or mobile in seconds. So just watch this quick guide to find the perfect firework animations so you can light up your celebrations like a pro editor. So just import your New Year's celebration video into CapCut PC or mobile like this, and you can just go click on effects and choose video effects in here, and under that you'll see the New Year category, and you'll easily spot the fireworks video effects 2026 fireworks. You can just scroll down and you'll see this effects right here. Click on the plus button, and in here you can adjust the speed of the effects. So this is how the 2026 firework effects will look like on your video. You can adjust the length and also the speed to fit to your clips. And that's pretty much all. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.